Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install GroupMe on Windows. GroupMe is a cloud-based messaging platform that allows individuals and groups to communicate via text, images, videos and links synchronized across multiple devices, and this guide is intended for the users who want to use GroupMe on their desktop for efficient messaging and collaboration. So first what you can do is first open to your computer and go to the store, Microsoft Store, and any of the store that you prefer. Over here, once you get into this interface, what you can do is on the top there's this search bar. Select for the GroupMe, type down the GroupMe and enter it. Over here you'll find this GroupMe app here. Select to this and select to this get here. And after that the system will begin downloading, and wait until the download completes. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And once the download is complete, locate the GroupMe installer in your downloads folder or the browser's download bar. And that is it. This completes the process of downloading and installing the GroupMe on your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.